Okay, now we see the next question, that how to draw the Hasse diagram. Okay, so this is the example number 3. Uh, Sometime you are given question like this: draw Hasse diagram of D12 under divisibility. Okay. What do we mean by D12? D12 means divisors of 12. Okay. So what are the numbers which divide 12? Positive numbers. 1 divides 12, 2 divides 12, 3 divides 12, 4 divides 12, 6 divides 12, and 12 divides 12. Okay. Now these are the numbers. So we want to draw Hasse diagram for this under divisibility. So here again the relation of in the relation of divisibility is given. It means that this is a partial order relation. So as it is a partial order relation, so we can draw the Hasse diagram. So we start with the very first element. Okay. So 1, write this element at the bottom. Okay. Now next element is 2. So what is the relationship between 1 and 2? 1 divides 2. Okay. 1 divides 2. What is the relationship between 1 and 3? 1 also divides 3. Okay. 1 also divides 3. But does 2 divide 3? No. So as 2 does not divide 3, so there is no connecting line between 2 and 3. Okay. Now next element is 4. So I place 4 here because 2 divides 4. Okay. 1 also divides 4, so there is a connecting line between 1 and 4. Okay. There is no need to draw any separate line. Now next element is 6. So 6 we write here. Okay. You see that 3 divides 6, but 2 also divides 6. Okay. Then the next element is 12. Okay. So 12 is here. So 4 divides 12. Okay. And 6 also divides 2. Okay. 2 also divides 12, so you see that there is a connecting path between this. 3 also divides 12, so there is a connecting path between this. Okay. So in this way, this is the Hasse diagram. Now we want to find maximal element. Okay. We want to find maximal element. So what is the maximal element? I told you that maximal element, it is always found at the top of the Hasse diagram. Okay. And this is that element which is not further in a relation with any other element. So the maximal element here is 12. Okay. Now minimal element. Minimal element. Minimal element here is, you see that this is the element which is at the bottom of the Hasse diagram, and no element below it is connecting with this. Okay. So the minimal element is, okay. Now we want to find the greatest element. Greatest element. You see that here in this case, uh, this 12, okay, this 12 is in a relation with every other element. Why? You see that this 12 is divisible by 1, 2 also divides 12, 3 also divides 12, 4 also divides 12, and 6 also divides 12. So every other element of the relation, every other element of this relation divides 12. Okay. And so we can say here that 12 is the greatest element. Okay. Because every element of this relation is in a relation with 12. Okay. Now least element. So least element is actually that element which is found at the bottom, and this element is in a relation with every other element. So you see that 1 divides 2, okay? 1 also divides 3, 1 also divides 4, 1 also divides 6, 1 also divides 12. Okay, so 1 is in a relation with every other element of this set. Okay, so that is why this one is the not least. It is a sorry. It is actually it is a least element. least element here is 1. So in this example we have seen that maximal element and the greatest element they are same, minimal element and the least element they are also same. Okay, but it is not like that you every time get the maximal element and the least element same, as we have seen it in this example. Okay, in this example we had maximal elements, okay, we had minimal elements, but we could not find greatest element and the least element in the diagram. Okay, so this is all in this question. Okay, we will solve one more question of assay diagram and then we will start the latest. Okay, thank you very much students.